Did you know one lion became so famous people traveled across the world just to see him? His name was Scarface. And his story is wild. Scarface was easy to spot, with his ragged scar running over one eye, like a real-life superhero mask. But he earned that scar in a fierce fight, defending his pride and his land. For over a decade, Scarface faced storms, rival lions, and even drought, but he never gave up. People from everywhere came to Kenya's Masai Mara, hoping to catch a glimpse of this Lion King. To his pride, he was a protector. To people, he was a symbol of strength and survival. Scarface's story reminds us that being a legend isn't about being perfect. It's about facing life's battles, scars and all. Long live the king!